Good morning. This Monday, the 6th of December, I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, on Friday, the Aussie market ended the week with gains, with the energy sector rising the most, up 1.6%. The energy sector was led by Oil Search, Whitehaven Coal, BlueScope Steel and Nickel Mines, which all ended the week higher. The financials also performed well on Friday after a volatile week. ANZ, Westpac, WBC and NAB were all up more than 1%, and CBA and Macquarie also gained. Meanwhile, healthcare declined. Imaging software company Pro Medicus, PME, made the most gains on Friday. However, its share price is still down the past month. Aussie investment company Washington Soul Pattinson, SOL, gained 3.3%, and this was partly due to its exposure to energy investments, with energy stocks performing well. And TPG Telecom dropped 8.6% off the back of news that its founder was selling a $335 million stake in the company. And on Friday, Bell Direct clients found the most value in the financials. Friday also saw a sell-off in battery materials and technology company Novonix, NVX, as well as CSL. The CSL share price fell amid speculation that it's planning to acquire a Swiss biotech company Vifor Pharma for approximately $10 billion. In US equities, all three major benchmarks closed lower, wrapping up a volatile week. The Omicron variant has had investors concerned, and the US also delivered a disappointing jobs report with slower than expected job creation last month. The Dow is down 0.2% and the S&P 500 down 0.8%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq dropped 1.9%, with Tesla falling over 6% and Zoom falling over 4%. So there was, however, a late rally on Wall Street, and the ASX 200 is set to open higher this morning. The SPI futures are suggesting a rise of 0.15% at the open. Investors are likely to continue trading cautiously, with the market currently unsure of the new COVID variant. Citing concerns on the Omicron strain, Goldman Sachs cut its forecast for US economic growth in 2022 from 4.2% to 3.8%. They say a downside scenario is the most likely outcome, where the virus spreads quicker, but immunity against hospitalizations falls slightly more. Looking at commodities, oil is trading lower at $66 a barrel, so watch Santos, STO, and Woodside Petroleum, WPL. Gold is currently higher, however has fluctuated along the flat line around $1,770 an ounce after the disappointing US jobs report. And the seaborne iron ore price is lower, trading at $101.49 a tonne. And Metcash MTS is set to release its half-year results today. So Ord Minnett analysts expect the company to report a net profit of $141 million for the last 6 months, allowing for an interim dividend of 10.5 cents per share. And as for some trading ideas for your consideration today, Bell Potter have maintained their buy rating on chemical manufacturing company DGL Group and have decreased their price target from $3.05 to $3 after the company held its AGM. DGL closed at $2.40 on Friday, implying 25% share price growth in a year. And Goldman Sachs have a buy rating on HealthCo Healthcare and Wellness, HCW, with a $2.56 price target. The broker says that the healthcare real estate sector in Australia is in its infancy, with potential for growth through acquisitions and ground-up development. And lastly, Trading Central's analysts have flagged a bullish signal in Hastings Technology Metals, HAS. The bullish signal indicated that the stock price may rise from the close of 25 cents to the range of 30 cents to 32 cents within 28 days. And that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.